that?
I don't know.
Chicken?
Is it chicken?
It is a chicken.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, what are your names?
Seihi. I'm Shannon.
And who are you here with today?
Joku.
Tofu?
Joku. Joku.
What is Joku going to do?
Melf got it. She's going to play the keyboard and she'll play America the Beautiful.
Are you serious?
Yes,
She plays the piano.
She does.
Yes.
She's going to play that keyboard
No
right there.
way.
But
No, she's
yes, she
not.
picked it up very quickly. She's very intelligent.
Amazing. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
I can't wait to see that.
Do it. Good luck, baby.